I'm Marcel.
I'm Tom.
I'm Fran.
I'm Joe.
And I'm Joe. And we're rolling Blackouts Coastal Fever. We've been on a bus, a big old bus. What else?
We've been driving around. There's been a lot of different fragments to the thing. I think it's going to look really good. The characters, there's a guy holding a goldfish. There's a woman doing a scratchy.
We've got a chef.
There's a chef.
But they're not really those, they're actually extras who are pretending to play those characters.
I'm pretty sure the chef's a chef.
Yeah, he is.
He actually is a chef. Yeah.
He just picked some wild fennel and handed it to me for my cheese snack. I don't know if I trusted him, but I ate it.
We've been playing together for a long time, the three of us, Tom, Joe and I. And then a few years ago, Marcel and Joe joined. Marcel took over from me on drums and does a lot better than I ever did. And Joe plays the bass and it just sort of clicked into gear, and we sort of just sipped around for a little while playing smaller shows and found our natural groove, and then it just sort of went from there.
It's funny with music, it's almost never enough. You're always just like, all right, that's good. What's the next thing we can do? I mean, it's great being able to play bigger venues, bigger crowds, it's heaps of fun. But we just did that a whole lot of small venues throughout the States as well, and that was really fun as well. Like kind of going back to where we started.
Some bands are more studio bands and other bands are more live bands. I think we're more of a live band. That's where the songs are in their natural state. We've always enjoyed each other's company because we're friends, so it's always nice being in a town you've never been in before, and I think we're still pretty excited by all of that. So yeah, morale hasn't worn off yet.
Yeah, the Levi's Music Prize will go towards more touring. We might just get in to do some recording at some stage, but pretty much just on the road this year, so it's going to go a long way towards that.
It really does help when you're from Australia. You've got a long way to go to where a lot of other places are where people might enjoy music, you know, like Europe and North America, and so yeah, having that bit of cash does help kind of get you on your way.
A bit of Uno.
Be too much Uno, really.
Yeah, an unhealthy amount of Uno, and probably an unhealthy amount of getting angry at each other over a game that's pretty simple.
Yeah, there's no skill.
Now it's Scopper, that's a classy game.
I had a bad habit of losing Uno.